Hey guys, it is Super Shaw here, and today I'm making a video asking for requests like what EAS or EBS scenario should I do next. I would like for a request what I should do next. Like, which EAS scenario do you want me to do? Like, tsunami, whether it be tsunami, tornado disaster, weather disaster, snowfall disaster, black hole, asteroid, end of the world, nuclear attack, terrorist attack, riots, malfunctions, 911 outages, anything. I'm just wanting requests of what EAS scenarios that I should do. So I might do a malfunction scenario, EAS malfunction scenario here soon, but I don't know if I will. But I just need requests of what you guys want me to do on that type, like or it could just be an EAS short, where it's a quick EAS scenario. But I usually do long scenarios, so I just need requests, guys. Just any emergency alert system scenarios you want me to do. Tornadoes, disasters, snow, tsunamis, earthquakes, nuclear attacks, terrorist attacks, 911 outage emergencies, malfunctions, collapsions, or anything, or like viruses or contaminations. I might do some sort of holiday special contamination, like when it's Christmas. I can do a bad or evil Santa or something like that, or maybe during Thanksgiving, most likely an infected turkey or dressing or any food for Thanksgiving, and possibly for Halloween, maybe a killer clown emergency. I did do a creepy clown clan EAS. I might do that here, but I just need any requests for EAS scenarios. Please leave comments of what EAS scenarios you want me to do. I have done a few. I've done the EAS, Evil Jaden and Pete warning, the EAS scenario, Friday the 13th, the EAS, I think it was Evil Cheetos warning, and my latest scenario, which would be my longest scenario yet, was my nuclear attack, nationwide nuclear attack from the old school emergency broadcast system, because it was like a 70s scenario that I made. I only made that, about a week and a half ago, not too long ago, so please check that out. That was awesome. I worked pretty hard on that. I didn't work too hard, I just came up with it, but I've been doing that. But guys, please, in the comment section, just leave requests of any sort of EAS scenario you want me to do. The options, as I say again, like tornadoes, infections, tsunamis, earthquakes, nuclear attacks, end of the world, black hole, asteroid, meteorite, comet, malfunctions of any sort, terrorist attacks, or anything. So, yeah. That's all I wanted to make a video about needing requests of EAS scenarios that you want me to do. So guys, I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the account Super Shaw, who will be signing off at this time.